Hello everyone, we are Cyberpat and we are going to present our project Aula.
We created Smart Learn because we realized too many educational platforms do not have accessibility, in special for people with visual environment. Many blind students cannot have access to digital quality resources. In Mexico, millions of people with visual environment have not access to quality education. That's why we wanted to create this platform that is accessible and for everyone. The main problem we identified is the lack of accessible educational.
Please.
Although technology exists, more than 80% of educational applications were inaccessible, and this problem still exists today. Our mission is to develop high quality, accessible software for people with visual discapacities. And our vision is to become an innovative platform that can be used by both visual impaired users and regular students.
Now let's talk about how our application works. In the first part, we have a login and register section. We implement a fingerprint access, and it must be easier for blind people to use it. Then we have our main menu. We have different options to navigate.
Smart Learn is composed by two parts, a mobile application and a web platform. The web platform has two modules, the administrator module and the teacher module. At this module, teachers can create, edit, and delete subjects, topics, and exercises. In the past, teachers had to do this manually. So now with this app, it must be easier for teachers to manage the topics.
Now let's see the rest of the app. First, we have inscription subjects section. Here you can add new subjects to your own list. Now you can go to that list in a new subjects section in which you can select one of them. Then you go to the topic section, and then you can go to the subtopic section. In this part, you can go to another two sections, theory and practice. In theory, you have all the content necessary to study that topic. And in practice section, students can do his best to in exercises or quizzes. Students should try to do the best possible these quizzes. But if they are wrong in any question, the quiz is going to let them know, and you can return to the theory part so they can view the exactly points of which are wrong.
Smart Learn has two modules. We use text to speech for voice message from the application, and we use speech to text for voice commands from the user to the application. In this, you can navigate around the application even if you are a visual impairment person.
Many of the currently existing applications must have implement these characteristics, but actually most of them haven't done it.
In conclusion, Smart Learn is a project that can transform the education. With a good implement, we can provide equal education and prove that we need to implement the technologies into the education.